Sovereign fund. What is sovereign fund? Sovereign fund is sovereign wealth fund. Okay. A state-owned investment fund comprising of money generated by government. So government is generating money that comprises of one fund that is sovereign fund. This money derived by government from countries who own surplus reserve. So how it comes sovereign fund, sir? I'm putting budget. I'm expensing it. Out of that, I got more income than my expected expense. That is surplus. That surplus belongs to sovereign fund. Legal basis of sovereign wealth fund is a constitution law, facial law, constitution, and company law. So the legal basis, what they say is as per the constitution, as per the facial law, as per the company law, such kind. Popular source of funds in sovereign wealth fund are surplus reserve from state-owned natural resource revenue from our doing business. Example, budgeted expenses, budgeted income. When budgeted income exceed the actual expenses or actual income exceeded the actual expenses, then the surplus is being created. That surplus is sovereignty wealth fund. Bank reserves, yeah, and money, foreign currency operation, money from privatization. These are the things of sovereign fund. Purpose: protect the stabilization of the economy from excess volatility. So it is creating. We want to save, true. At the same time, country also want to save. That is what sovereign wealth fund earn better returns than returns on foreign exchange reserve. So we all should always not depend on foreign exchange reserve. Rather than we should also have our own fund. Increase savings for future generation. So the money we should save more for future generation. Fund social and economic development. To develop a country, we need to save fund. This is what purpose of it. Classification, how you classify it, depending on the assets and objective of sovereign wealth fund and risk management can range from very conserved to high tolerance of risk. Traditional classification of sovereign wealth fund is stabilization of fund. So income expense, we should have expense of capital nature, revenue nature. So we want to stabilize the both to grow the country. Savings fund, not only we should issue bond, we should buy bonds of country so we can save more. Public benefits pension reserve fund. So how to save our country people of old age people by providing pension fund to protect them. Reserve investment funds. So this kind of reserve investment funds as per the requirement to create a sovereign national fund. Types of sovereign investment funds are sovereign wealth fund (SWF), public pension fund, state-owned enterprises, sovereign wealth enterprises. Enterprises are company. These companies are public company. It is 100% central or partially central and state combined. These kind of companies also wealth of it. So sovereign investment vehicle is mostly, sir, country how it generate revenue. A country should not wholly depend on its people to generate revenue. It is also to generate revenue. That is being said in sovereign wealth fund. Now in Tamil Nadu, Taskmark is a sovereign wealth fund. When and when other companies out there, these are railways is sovereign wealth fund. Military is protection, but it's also sovereign wealth fund if it earns some return. So these kind of things or sovereign wealth fund.